Business intelligence is the process of using technology to analyze data and display actionable information that helps everyone, from technicians to owners, make informed decisions. Business intelligence tools in Connect Life Automate help to make smart decisions, resolve issues faster, and discover revenue-generating opportunities. In this lesson, you will learn what the 4 business intelligence tools in Connect Life Automate are and how to use searches, reports, data views, and heads-up displays. Making decisions is a constant in business, and the wrong decision can be costly to the bottom line. Business intelligence, or BI, is crucial to making the right decisions that affect your business and clients. The right business intelligence tools answer the following questions. What happened? What is happening? Why did it happen? What will happen? And what do I want to happen? The first 3 questions are important and must be resolved for business continuity and good client relations. But technology service providers who spend time answering the last 2 questions find themselves needing to answer the first 3 less. What this means is that being proactive and acting based on what you want to happen will lead to better business practices. Technology service providers, also known as TSPs, require fast access to stored data to remain proactive to their clients' needs. The more information you have, the more likely you are to see potential issues or opportunities to generate your revenue. It is important to use the right technology, processes, and tools that help transform data into usable information quickly. Business intelligence is about using data to make decisions, and ConnectWise Automate agents installed on computers collect a large amount of data and send it to the database server. In addition to using this data to automate services, you can leverage ConnectWise Automate to query and find information in many ways that help make those decisions. There are 4 business intelligence tools in ConnectWise Automate: searches, data views, HUD, and reports. Click on the buttons to learn the basics about each tool. Searches. ConnectWise Automate includes an advanced search interface. The advanced search is a graphical representation of and or condition statements. This makes it easier to see the logical groupings of a constructed search. Using logical operators or collection matches, you can create any combination of conditions and groups to refine your searches to locate exactly what you need. Heads-up displays. The heads-up displays are displays that can be configured in numerous ways based on your needs, down to the background color of each display. There are 5 default section layouts, which can be customized even further, and each section can have any number of data information items. The amount of data you can view at a glance is only limited by the size of your monitor. Data views. Data views enable you to view a wealth of system information such as alerts, commands history, drive history, software install history, orphan tickets, etc. in a variety of formats. Additionally, you can modify any existing data view if it does not quite meet your needs. Reports. The Report Center allows you to generate informative, relevant, and up-to-date reports. A variety of standard out-of-the-box reports are included, allowing you to track storage inventory, network assets, as well as the availability and performance of any device being managed and monitored within Automate. The solution also includes the Report Designer to allow you to fully customize and visually preview the reports before sending the output to a printer or exported file. Which of the following are business intelligence tools available in ConnectWise Automate? Select 4. Searches are a fundamental feature, and much of the automation in ConnectWise Automate starts with searches. Searches allow you to effortlessly locate assets based on any information that the installed ConnectWise Automate agents return to the database. For example, you can easily locate any agent computers running a Microsoft Windows operating system. Anytime you need to easily locate a computer, contact, network device, or mobile device, use the advanced search to get the information you need. When you begin creating searches, it is recommended to plan and utilize some system of naming and organizing. This helps quickly identify what the search does. These searches will be utilized for automation or by others in the system, and you need to ensure the searches are intuitively named. Searches are like the foundation to your automated solutions and can even be used to deploy software automatically to specific machines. For example, you deploy a specific AV software to all of your agents. You can use a search to locate all the agent computers missing AV and place them into a no AV group that is then used to deploy AV via scripts. Even though ConnectWise Automate runs on a MySQL database, searches allow you to build queries without having to know MySQL or the ConnectWise Automate database structure. This allows you to utilize most of your time solving problems. For example, you can select computers with certain BIOS information or installed software. The searches that you define can be saved for later use and then be used for group auto joins, scripts, group scheduled apps, and other various actions. All database relations are preset by the search editor, so you do not have to worry about how to construct the relation you need in the search. The search editor is a little GUI that allows you to visually construct logical and or statements. When the search is run in the editor, it creates a list of matching agents, which can then be manipulated from within the search editor. MySQL wildcard operators, such as the % symbol, can be used to match any number of characters. The use of wildcards can help you locate a server role that includes a base string followed by version info. We can construct a search to find that base name and use % to match on all of the trailing version information, and that pulls back all versions of the server role. Once saved, you can apply them to several ConnectWise Automate components like auto joins on a group or as a limit to when scheduling a script for automated services. Searches can be used for a variety of things, including finding objects in ConnectWise Automate that meet specific criteria and can be run on a group. Using searches in groups is the foundation for delivering services in your Automate environment. When a search is applied to a group, agents meeting the criteria specified can be added to the group automatically. Searches are found under the Automation module in the left navigation menu, and the Automation menu is sorted alphabetically. The Searches menu contains two choices. You can choose to create a search by selecting Advanced Searches, or if you want to run an existing search, you can select View Searches. ConnectWise Automate includes many searches out of the box, and many of them are used to populate the default groups in the system. Before making your own searches, it is a good idea to check the searches documentation to see if one already exists or is close. You can modify default searches and save them as new searches. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you may be able to start with a default search and then refine it further for your own criteria. For example, computer type searches help you easily find agents on branded computers like Dell, or by CPU manufacturer, or just by the type of computer OS in the network, like Windows Desktop. Another benefit of the searches list in the control center is that you can run commands on computers matching the search, and then right-click context menus contain the ability to send commands. Sending commands to agents from the search's context saves time by saving you from having to manually search for specific machines to run commands against. In this example, you can force the Automate agent to update on all Windows desktops computers. If you need to run the search to see a list of agents in Automate that meet the criteria, you simply double-click the search. When the search screen loads, it lists all agents matching the search in the bottom grid. The top panel contains the search itself. The way this search works is that it first looks for all agents with an OS that is Windows. Next, the search evaluates computer OS if server is false. That means agents that have the server flag for type are discarded. Finally, the search discards all laptops, ensuring the BIOS flash version does not contain portable. Once it is done evaluating and discarding agents, only agents that are desktop computers with a Windows OS are left in the list. Just like the search list in Control Center, you can select one or more agents in the list and send commands. Additionally, you can also run scripts from the searches screen. Most grids and views in Automate contain useful context and menu items that save you time remediating issues. As mentioned earlier, the primary use of searches in ConnectWise Automate is to populate groups. Searches allow you to find automated solutions on the internet. Is this statement true or false? Reporting is an essential part of your business. Reports can be used to make decisions on tasks that need to be done. For example, you may need information on patch audit report to determine if any managed devices are at risk of being exploited. Additionally, reports are used to add visibility on the services you are providing to your clients. The Report Center in ConnectWise Automate helps you effortlessly run and even schedule the delivery of reports. Reports may be run from action buttons above list views in the Control Center, right-click context menus, from the Report Center report list, from the Favorite Report section in the Report Center dashboard, Favorite Reports only, and via a Report Center schedule. When they're from the Control Center using either the action buttons or context menus, the report automatically filters on the object level it was loaded from. For example, if you run a report from the Chris Craft Boats client level, it filters that report to only Chris Craft Boats. Using reports in ConnectWise Automate allows you to show your clients the value you add to their business each month. How do you run a report from the list view? Click on one of the boxes to submit your answer. Data views are located under the Automation module in the left navigation menu. Data views can be a useful tool for technicians to use when they need specific information to complete a task. Data views create lists of aging computers based on related data. Not only can you instantly retrieve a wealth of information, you can perform remediation on one, some, or all of the listed devices. Shutting down a process across all of your clients can be done instantly from a data view. For more information on the available data views, check out a description of each in the default data views document found in the Resources tab. Within each category, the data views are listed in alphabetical order to help find them easily, and each has an intuitive name which alludes to their usage. For example, you can click on Processes to view data views for processes found in ConnectWise Automate. Processes data views can be useful for finding unwanted processes to classify and or even monitor. Classifying processes in ConnectWise Automate is important so that alerts are triggered for unwanted or malicious processes found in your client's network. Or you may want to monitor processes that tend to lock up resources and have action taken against them when they do. When you double-click on a data view, the data view window is loaded. The default standard data view includes agent name, process ID, process status, process description, process date, process path, process CPU, and process memory. Using the Shift and Control keys, The agent computers listed in the data view can be multi-selected. One common task in ConnectWise Automate is to classify and monitor processes. One Ignite monitor keeps an eye for processes found that are not classified, as well as those classified as rebellious or spyware. You can right-click the selected devices and select Processes, Classify Processes, Good Program. This classifies the process as good so that neither monitor will be triggered by this process when found. Data views can also be configured with other fields to customize the information. Right-click any of the field headers and select Field Chooser Client Name. Then drag the new client column to the left in the first column position. Customizing and saving data views ensures that you can get all the information you need quickly. Once you customize a data view that you know you will use often, you can save it as a new data view. It is recommended to save as instead of save because a simple save overwrites the default data view. Test your knowledge on locating data views in ConnectWise Automate. Where would you go to find the data views in ConnectWise Automate? Click on one of the boxes to submit your answer.
At times, or with certain roles, a user may need to have specific information displayed always. Heads-up displays, or HUDs, are a way to display this information and are only limited by the amount of monitor real estate a user has. HUDs are in the Service Desk menu in the side navigation. Out of the box, ConnectWise Automate includes 8 HUDs, which are explained in the heads-up display documentation. You double-click on any HUD to load it. The Knock HUD is a popular HUD, which displays offline agents and alerts, new tickets and failed monitors, as well as a monitor overview. The Knock HUD is comprised of 3 panels, but when creating a HUD, you have access to 5 different layouts to choose from. To add a new HUD, start by clicking on Add. You need to enter a name for the new HUD. Once this is done, a blank HUD loads defaulted to a double-stacked layout. At first, how to add elements or change the layout is not intuitive because the interface to do so is a hidden menu. To access this menu, hover right under the title bar of the HUD window. Under the configuration dropdown are your layout choices. Under the options dropdown are selections for permissions to restrict access to the new HUD, as well as other related options to HUD elements and properties. To add an item to the HUD, right-click in any section. Data views, when you add them to a HUD, can be customized from within your HUD and have these customizations retained. The last thing you should do is hover over that HUD interface and choose to save the HUD when done. The new HUD is now available in the HUD list.
Test your knowledge on building a new HUD in ConnectWise Automate. Where do you go to change the layout of a HUD? Click on one of the boxes to submit your answer. Where do you go to change the layout of a HUD? What do you select to access the HUDs? Click on one of the boxes. How do you add a new HUD? How do you add this new HUD? Click on where do you change the layout options for this new HUD? Click on one of the boxes to submit your answer. Which menu option changes this HUD to a double stack with side layout? Click on one of the boxes to submit your. What must you do to accept the new layout for this HUD? Let's take a minute to go over some of the important concepts covered in this lesson. You should remember that searches are and/or statements that can be used to find objects in ConnectWise Automate. Data views can be created and edited to create lists to use for frequently run tasks. HUDs are configurable displays of information that can be built using several different layouts. And reports show the value you add each month to your clients' networks. Do you feel comfortable with the material covered in this lesson? If you do, click Yes below to advance to the final knowledge check and complete the lesson. Click No if you'd like to provide us feedback on how we can improve the lesson, and be sure to complete the final knowledge check.